Hi, here we have one of those really useful pieces of kit that, and you'll know from yourself that sometimes it's the littlest bits of kit or the most insignificant or the cheapest bits of kit that actually make your life so much easier. This, for me, is one of those pieces of kit. So this is the Petzl Caritool. Now, it's actually been made by Petzl, who are a well-known climbing company, obviously, and head torch company, but predominantly climbing company. And it's been designed so that when you're ice climbing, you can put your ice screws onto here without having to look at it and without having to think about it. So simply, it's just a carabiner, snapgate carabiner. It's made out of ABS plastic, so it's very, very rigid. And it can hold, what does it say? I think it says it can hold something like 5 kilonewtons. Not a load-bearing carabiner, so you wouldn't want to dangle off it. But what it's perfect at is putting on your kit, like on your Vertis plate carrier or on your shooter belt in this example, for attaching little things without looking at them, such as gloves or helmets through a D-ring or siloom sticks. All of those types of bits of kit that you need quick access to, that you're constantly taking on and off, that you want to make sure are secured properly. So these Petzl Caritools are really, really good for that.